I want to put a cutoff switch right there so he can prevent a lot of stuff from happening again. But the thing is, it doesn't allow for much room right there. And that's the only thing that's kind of messing it up. But I still want to try to put one on here. So, I mean, it's not really much to the process. Just put it on here. So I'm gonna do that. Put a cutoff switch on here. Take off these clamps because I gotta use my own worm clamps to make it happen. You see, it's not much room right there. It's not made for a cutoff switch. Bottom line, it's not made for one. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Okay, I'm about to get ready to mark out. Well, I just marked off where I need to cut the holes at. So now I just gotta cut this section out. So let's do it. Let's use a box cutter to do it. Man, I hope this stuff came along all right. Got this section out of the way. Boom. Now, put it on our cutoff switch, open, close. But I'd rather, I don't know. Man, let's do it from this side. Cut, flow. All right. Take that off. Now I gotta put some worm clamps around here. Boom. All right, let's put our worm clamps on. 6mm on these. Had these pointed at the bottom. Alright, both of those on there, they're tight. So let's put our regular clamps back on here. Man, all small engine stuff should come with a fuel shutoff. Yeah, all of them. Every single last one of them, man. I have no idea why they don't. Alright, so let's put this bad boy on here. Okay, that's on there. That bad boy on that clamp. All right, now grab this clamp again. So now I can grab my tank, put this back down, and boom, there it is. Now we got a shut off switch in the line.